Hi, what's up SLP coin holder my friends? So today we will talk about my friend the SLP to why this coin will fail us down and what you will need my friends to do this now. So everything is going to be very important now my viewers, my subscribers, please be safe is very important now in those days. So please remember my viewers to after a short fail absolutely this coin will take a very huge jump now, so therefore I really like it now and I hope my friends to the upcoming time they will give you a profit. So this time my friends, the pancake swap is one of the unique coin my friends, so this coin will go in the garbage now. Please hold remember to after a short fail absolutely my friends they will take a gem now, so therefore I will notify you to hold it now. Thanks for watching, please like and also subscribe our YouTube channel.